Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do this Eid makeup look right here. I hope you guys like it, and if you do then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video. So for my moisturizer I am using this Indulgio Rose Gold Oil Moisturizer. Because I'm oily skin, I am going to use like 2 drops or 3 drops, that's it. So for my lip balm, I am going to use this Carmex lip balm. So for my primer, I am using this Maybelline Master Primer. So because this is going to be an Eid makeup look, I will be going extra today. So please don't mind. So I'm gonna start with the eyes first, and to prime my eyelids, I am going to use a concealer, Maybelline Instant Age Divine Concealer. So for my eyes, I am going to use this LA Girl Born exclusive 35 color eyeshadow palette. These eyeshadows are very creamy. I'm loving the packaging, and then literally you have all the shades here for everyday use, for party, for any function. If you wanna, like if you want to create a colorful look, you literally have all the shades in here. You can play so much with this palette. It is so worth it because the color payoff is good, and also they are so creamy. Like, see this one and this one, just by looking at it you come to know how creamy they are. I have used this palette before, so this is definitely not a first impression. Yes, this palette is expensive. It is for 3K, but it's okay. You can buy it during a sale. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here and also this shade right here. So I'm going to pick this shade with my finger and apply it onto the center of my eyes. Now that I have concentrated this shade in the centers of my eye, I am going in with a brush to make it look proper and the way I want. I'm going to go back with those 2 transition shades that we took earlier, and I'm going to go back and blend it all in. So now we are going to do our face, and then we will be again going back with our eyes. So for my foundation, I will be using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and if you know me, I am going to mix an illuminator. So for my highlighter or something, I'm going to use this LA Girl, and I'm going to mix this with my foundation. For my concealer, I will be first going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. Now I'm going to go with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm also going to apply on my forehead and the bridge of my nose. To set my under eyes, I am going to use this Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. So because I'm oily skin, I will be applying the powder all over my face just like this. So for my bronzer, I will be using this Wet n Wild contour palette. And also I will be putting this on my forehead to give the illusion of my forehead looking small, even though it's not. So now I'm going to get rid of the excess powder under my eyes. I'm going to pick up this powder right here with my beauty blender, like so. And I'm just going to apply it underneath my contour. So for my blush, I'm going to use my favorite NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. Okay, so I'm gonna use these two shades. So I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm quickly going to do that. I'm gonna do my brows now. I'm going with my Nykaa Rock the Line kajal, and I'm going to apply it onto my upper and lower waterline. Taking the transition shade and applying it onto my lower lash line. Taking the highlighter shade from the same palette and applying it onto the inner corners of the brow bone. For mascara, I went with the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara, and I'm going with the primer side first and then the mascara side. For highlighter, I'm going to go with this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. So now I'm going to go with my setting spray, and for that I'm going to use this NYX Matte Finish setting spray. For lipstick, I have used Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. Okay, I completely forgot to put a wing liner, and for that I'm going to use this Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner by Maybelline. I know I did go a little extra today with this makeup look, but you can any day change the lip color and go with a nude lip. But as I thought this is a Eid makeup look, so why not go extra today? So you can any day customize this makeup look as you want, and also you can change the eyelid color and you can match it with your dress. So with that, this is the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you are celebrating this Eid, I wish that your sacrifices are appreciated and your prayers are answered by the Almighty. Have a blessed Eid al-Adha. Allah Hafiz. Bye. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.